Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Osaru and this is Sophia. Today we'll be making a bow tie autogele. For that I need an autogele base. I have a video already on how you can make a base. You can go check it out. And this is a plate. A free piece I'm cutting out. I'm adding it to the base at the middle. This piece is about 2 lines of Autogele and about 18 inches long in length. So I will join it from the center to one part of the base, to one end of the base. As you can see, I will join to the left part first, then I'll also join it to the right hand side. So now after joining the side, I will join the other side as well. And after the joining, as you can see, I'm done with the joining of both sides. You can see how smooth it is. Now I will start making pleats with this piece. This plate is going to serve as plates for my autogele. I'll just fold as if I'm tying the gele directly. So I'm fold and gather from the middle to make the pleats, and I'll also join the pleats on both sides of the base. After making the pleats like this, just gather. Then I'll join it at both end of the base. And now after making the plates, guys, you can see how beautiful and smooth it looks. It's very small, as you can see. I don't want it to be too big. And now we go and cut out another piece of Autogele about 15 to 16 inches wide, folded into two. You can see it's double. Now I will join it together. It's also 2 lines of Autogele. So now I will gather together to make a bow, just as you see me do now. I will make the bow, gather it up at the middle of the piece. You can see. Then I will be joining it to the middle of the base on top the plate we made, just as you see me do. So first I'm just trying to get the measurements I want, if it's accurate at the place made. Now I'll put this aside, or I'll sew down with my needle and thread first, just to secure the part. Just to secure it first, I'll just hold down with my needle and thread, and after that I will go and cut a piece about 6 to 5 inches long, which I will be folding into two, and I will use that to wrap this particular place where I'm tacking now. I'll use it to wrap it up, to cover up the bow. And as you can see, this is how we're covering it up. So now I will sew it down to the base. I will sew it down to the base, not like this, but as you see me do now, like this. So after joining it to the middle of the base, I'll also join the right and the left hand side to the base as well. And now I'm trying to secure this bow very well so that it don't get loose later on. So I just try to secure the bow to the base from the middle. Now I'm adding it on it. You can see I'm taking it out. I'm taking my sewing out through the pleats I made first, just to secure it. Then I'll later on take it, sew it on the on the base. So I'm just trying to secure it here from the middle, and make sure I take the sewing inside the pleats to make it invisible. You can see, we just take it through back and forth. So after doing that, I'll start joining the bow to the base all round of the sides of the bow. Please guys, don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel. If this is your first time joining us, you're welcome. Please hit the subscribe button on your screen and click on the bell to get notified when I post a new video. Do wait to follow us on all our social media platforms on the description box below. As you can see guys, I'm just trying to pin down the bow on the right place before I start sewing for accuracy. So I'm just going to pin them up, then I'll go sew off camera. And now guys, this is how it looks after joining. You can see we are about 90% ready, so I'll just use my hand to arrange the bow how I want it to be, as you see me do now. After arranging and voila, our gele is ready. You can see how beautiful it sits pretty on my mannequin. Thanks for watching today's video. Please don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. Bye for now, loves.